Our Karnataka lesson we are learning now. In that, today we are learning the fourth division. That is Belgavi region. That one we are learning. This is also very interesting division and rich also comparing to other division. This division is having the 7 districts. They are Belgavi, Dharwad, Haveri, Gadar, Vijaypura, Bagalkote and Uttara Kannada district. These are the 7 districts in the Belgavi division. Among these, Uttara Kannada is the coastal district. It is having the coastal area. Picture is given in your textbook. I will show that one, children. See here. This is the picture of the Belgavi division. This is Vijaypura, Bagalkote, Belgavi, Dharwad, Gadar, Haveri and Uttara Kannada. Here Arabian Sea is there, so it is a coastal district. Yes, children. Regarding the history of Belgavi division, we are taking means it is ruled by the many South Indian kings as well as the North Indian kings. Maurya, Satavahanas. Maurya means it is the biggest empire in the North India. Chandragupta Maurya, Kautilya, etc. So they also ruled this Belgavi division. Satavahanas, Bahmani kings. Then Rashtrakutas. All this one they ruled. As Karnataka is a land of many capital cities, even Belgavi division also many capital cities were there. They are Kadambas made Banamasi as their capital city. Banamasi is in Uttara Kannada district. Then Adilshahi kings made Vijaypura as their capital city. Then Badami Chalukyas made Badami as their capital city. These are the capital cities, children, and very famous about the Belgavi division means historical places. Badame, Aivade and Pattalkalu, they are world famous. They are called cradles of architecture. Whatever architecture is there, that is grown in these cities only. Aivade, Pattalkalu, Badami and all. So they are called cradles of architecture. World famous they are. That one. Then Kudal Sangama, Basavanna Vachana movement. It started by Basavanna. Kudal Sangama, it is a very religious place, children. Almaty Dam is also there. That comes in the Belgavi division only. Then, not only in the historical place, Belgavi division is famous in the history also. Do you know why? Kittur Rani Chennamma children. Kittur Rani Chennamma, she fought with the British. Sangoli Rayana, Kittur Chennamma, you know the story of this one. So, Kittur Rani Chennamma, in the South India, she is the first queen to fought with the British. That was one more proud thing to us. So Belgavi division is famous in the history also, in the freedom fight. She fought in the year 1824. The year 1824, she fought with the British. Then Sangoli Rayana is a very great loyal leader to the Chennamma. When they kept Chennamma in the jail, on behalf of Kittur Rani Chennamma, he looked after the kingdom. He started taking the army against the British, but the cunningly British caught the Sangoli Rayana and they hanged him. Film also came on Sangoli Rayana. Do you know children? Yes. Then another great thing about the Belgavi division means there was a Indian National Congress session in Belgavi, and the leader for the National Congress session was Mahatma Gandhi. That means Mahatma Gandhi visited the Belgavi children. It is held in the year 1924. In the year 1924, that the National Congress session was in Belgavi only. Then this Belgavi division was included in the Bombay state children. When Karnataka integration started, afterwards it is included to the Karnataka. In the year 1956, when the Karnataka integration was it is in the Bombay state. It is the boundary children. Belgavi division is the border division. It is Belgavi is connecting the two other states, Maharashtra and Goa. So Marathi influence is more children in Belgavi. Yes. Next comes natural resources. Yes, this division is rich in mineral resources, children, like Mysore division. It is also having the dense forest. Uttar Kannada district, 80% it is covered by the forest only. Dense forest you can see in the Belgavi division. So, the natural resources available in the Belgavi division are many rivers are there, dense forests are there, many mineral deposits are there, fertile soil is there, and power generation units are there. These are the natural resources in the Belgavi division. The rivers which are flowing in the Belgavi division are number of rivers are there, children. Important one are Krishna, Malaprabha, Ghataprabha, Bhima, Kali, Tungabhadra. These are the rivers which are flowing in the Belgavi division. And number of falls also there. There are Gokak Falls, Magudu waterfalls, Devamali waterfalls, Apsarakonda waterfalls are the waterfalls of the Belgavi division. They are the tourist places and very beautiful one, these waterfalls. Then National Parks, Wildlife Sanctuaries also there in the Belgavi division. They are Ansi National Park. It is on the banks of Kali River. Dandeli is. Dandeli Wildlife Sanctuary is also there. Dandeli. Then Athiviti Bird Sanctuary is there. Wildlife Sanctuary as well as bird sanctuary also you can see in the Belgavi division. The minerals which are available plenty in the Belgavi division means iron ore and limestone, children. They are available in the Bagalkot. Cement factory and all you can see. Limestone is there means you can see the limestone is the main raw material for the cement factory. Iron ore is the main raw material for the iron and steel industry. And quartz stone is also available in plenty. Quartz stone it is. Shining one stone, children, it is quartz stone only it is called. Name of the stone it is. That also available in plenty. Means in a big quantity it is available. Then huge quantity granite stone is available in the Ilkal. Ilkal it is very near to the Udal Sangama and Bagalkot, children. There you can see number of granite factories. They are preparing the granite stones, and granite stone it is available in a plenty. That one they are exporting to other country also. That is one more great thing. Granite stone they are exporting to the foreign countries from the Ilkal. Followed, children? Yes, this is about the natural resources. Next comes forest and wildlife. See, children, when dense forest is there means we can find the number of wild animals in that. In the Belgavi division, Uttar Kannada district and Dharwad district are having the forest. Uttar Kannada is having the dense forest of the children. So, evergreen forest is not only dense, evergreen forest. Evergreen means all the 12 months you can see the green forest, green trees. Because some trees will shut down their leaves in the winter season, in the autumn. That is called deciduous forest. While teaching Asia, I explained this one, children. Evergreen forest, deciduous forest, like this, two types will be there. Evergreen means all the 12 months they will be green. Deciduous means only in the winter season they will shut down their leaves. In the summer and in the rainy season you can see the green forest. But in the Belgavi division we are having in the two district dense forest, Uttar Kannada and the Dharwad district, and in both the district we are having the evergreen forest. Means all the 12 months it is green forest. Dense forest is there means we can expect the wild big animals like elephant, bison, deer, tiger, leopard, bear, wildcat, etc. Many number of other wild animals also you can find. This big one you will find only in the dense forest only. Elephant, tiger, leopard and all, they will be always in the evergreen and in the dense forest. Okay. What type of trees you are getting in the dense forest? If dense forest is there means you can see the thick stem long trees which are used for the furniture. Such type of trees you can find in the dense forest. Same thing in the Belgavi division also. The trees which we find in the Belgavi division are rosewood, sandalwood, matti, nandi, teak. These trees you can find ample in the Belgavi division. All these trees are used for making the furniture. Then forest forms 80% of the Uttar Kannada district. Already said 80% of the Uttar Kannada district is covered by the forest. That much forest is there in the Uttar Kannada district. Yes. Regarding Belgavi division, for today it is this much only enough, children. Other topics are there, agriculture and industry and all. That one I will take in the next class. I completed the Kalburgi division, children. Regarding Kalburgi division, number of pictures given in your textbook, that one I will show now. Okay, afterwards I will give the homework for today's session. This is Kalburgi division, children. 6 districts: Bidar, Kalburgi, Yadgiri, Raichur, Koppal and Ballari. This is the inscription which we got in the Maski, Raichur district, Maski. There about the King Ashoka they wrote in this inscription. This one. Then this is Tungabhadra Dam, children. For Raichur and Ballari, it is providing the irrigation facility. Tungabhadra Dam. Then mining. In Ballari, manganese mining and all is there, no, children? See, this much hill it is. They are digging that one. Here, tipper, JCB and all you can see. They are loading the manganese. Manganese mining it is. Then B century. Hatti gold mine, children, it is. See, under the ground they will make the tunnel like this. Machine will move inside this. They will dig the earth. They will extract the stone. Basvanna picture. This is Purandaradasa, Karnataka Sangeeta Pitamaha. Buddha Vihara, it is in Kalburgi, children. Buddha Vihara it is. And this is Kalburgi University. Gulbarga University it is. Now where Kalburgi University it is. Kinnar ties I told, no, children. Wooden ties, they will decorate with a number of different fabrics. Here see net is there, here silk cloth is there. Like this they will decorate the toys. Sri Ramananda Tirtha, very famous leader for the liberation of Hyderabad, Karnataka. Bande Nawaz Dargah, I told you, children, Kalburgi, very famous Dargah. Bande Nawaz, Sufi saint is, and every year Urus will be there. That one it is. Bidri art. Bidar they will cut. See, in the pot it is decorated. This flower and side lines are there, no, children. They are decorated with a bidar. Afterwards, with a silver or golden paint they will do for that bidar. This one. Guru Nanak Jira, children. It is in Bidar. Guru Nanak Jira, Sikh temple it is. very famous. Guru Nanak visited here, and this is Bidar Fort, entrance of the Bidar, very beautiful and big fort it is, Bidar Fort. And in Raichur, thermal power plant is there, that one. This is again Ashoka inscription in the mosque. Here they wrote something about Ashoka children. Itigi Mahadeva temple, this one. It is in Itigi children, Koppal district. Emperor of temple it is called. See, pillar, this roof, tower, everywhere carving is there. Big and beautiful temple. And this is a picture of Hampi children. Temples it is, Vijay Vitala temple, all this one it is. And this is Thorangal factory. See children, it is like a city. Thorangal iron and steel factories are there. They are very big one, like a city there. And the last one is Kannada University. It is in Hampi only. See children, Kannada University it is. It is in Hampi. Yes, these are the pictures of the Kalaburagi division. Now I will give the homework for the Belagavi division. Yes, homework for today children. How many districts are there in Belagavi division? When did National Congress session held in Belagavi? Here I will report the heading. Name the rivers of Belagavi division. Name the kingdoms which ruled Belagavi division. Name the waterfalls of Belagavi division. Name the product which is exported from Ilhal. I told you students stories are there, that one should be accurate. If you are listening to listen carefully, you are able to write the answer for all these questions. So I will continue the same division in the next class. For today it is enough. Thank you.